Welcome to this presentation by ThinkAspects Promotions. We help small business grow online. Today we are going to take a look at a solution we have provided for the small and home-based business that allows them to compete effectively on the internet. First, let's have a look at this cute little chicken. The age-old question of the chicken and the egg. Which one came first? Well, in order for there to be a chicken, there must have been an egg. But in order for there to be an egg, there must have been a chicken. So which came first? The exact same problem or situation is what happens with the home-based or small business when it comes to advertising. You need to advertise in order to make money, but you need money in order to advertise. So which one comes first? This creates a never-ending pressure on the small business's cash flow, which at the best of times is stretched beyond what it can bear. Advertising and marketing can be very expensive and cause a strain so severe on the small business that they don't actually do it and therefore either don't grow or potentially even end up closing down. This is where a website comes in. All businesses must have a website in order to be found online, whether they're small or large. In actual fact, the small business really needs to consider a website as it allows them to compete on the internet. The internet is the great equalizer. Have a look at this Australian dragon lizard. In the animal kingdom, this lizard will puff itself up to look much larger than what it really is when it is confronted with danger. That could be a rival, or it could be a predator that wants to eat it. By puffing itself up like this, it looks much larger and therefore scares away the predator or scares away the rival. We've often seen this in animal programs on TV, but exactly the same principle is what happens on the internet. A small business has the opportunity to look much bigger than what it really is and therefore take on larger competitors, but only if it's done right. Unfortunately, many small businesses and home-based businesses do not have the cash flow or the money to do it right, so they try and do it themselves. They will download from the internet a free do-it-yourself website construction kit and try and master the internet with the limited skills. This is not the way to take on the larger competitors on the internet. This is why we at ThinkAspects have developed a novel InstaSite. This InstaSite gives the home-based business an opportunity to look really big and important without having to expend much money into it. And I'd like to show you now exactly how that works. What you see in front of you right now is an example of our InstaSite. This is made up of a fictitious company we have called Sample Site Cleaning. The first thing you'll notice is that this website looks very stylish and modern. We make use of the client's logo and the client's color scheme to complement it. You will also notice that this website consists of 5 pages: a home page, a services page, a frequently asked questions page, an about us page, and a contact us page. Please note that this is not 5 sections on one page on a website, but is indeed 5 separate pages on a website. This is very important in the way you build followings on Google. We also make use of professional stock photography in the slider module that you will see here, together with the typical problems that this particular company solves for its clients. As you scroll down this website, or the homepage on the website, you will see that we are making use of fairly large font to drive home what this business is really all about and the value that it offers. We remind or we inform the visitor as to what the benefit is to the clients of doing business with them and what you will look like once you have experienced the service level. Throughout you will find little buttons that promises to teach the person more, that takes them to different sites or different pages on the website. Here we have a little rotator module that displays different statements that some satisfied clients have made, just to drive home the point that this company is not just about telling you how great they are, it's about really being that great. Every page features the module you see here, a little call to action that reminds the person or informs the visitor exactly what they should be doing next, so that we don't just risk them having a look at the website and going away. Every page features a footer panel, as you see here, where we have quick contact details, how to get hold of the company. We have social media links if they exist, a reminder of why, and of course a reminder also of how great the service is. Every InstaSite is completely mobile optimized, so it works great on smartphones and tablets as well. It reformats itself to fit perfectly into that sphere. The other pages that we spoke about earlier on, the services page, the frequently asked questions page, about us and contact us, have a similar look and feel to what you're seeing here, so that the same professional image goes across throughout the website regardless of where the client goes to. Back to our presentation. Our InstaSite is the solution for the small home-based business if they want to look big and important, and we guide our client in making sure that they have the right content on the web page. Our website ticks the 4 boxes that are important when it comes to cost. There is no design cost. There is no development cost. There is no domain registration cost. There is not even an annual renewal cost. The only cost that our client that owns this website will ever see from us is a monthly subscription fee of 395 Rand plus VAT. There are no hidden costs, no hidden charges. It covers them for everything. For a small home-based business, 395 Rand plus VAT is something that you can afford. No money is needed on the table, and you can be up and running in a matter of days. Does this sound intriguing to you? This will help you. Find out more about how this can work in your particular company or your particular business by contacting us via our website www.growyourbusinessonline.co.za. We'll be happy to spend a bit of time with you showing you how our InstaSite and maybe some of our other solutions can help you grow your business online.